Hi, I'm Chris Haigh and this is the Fiddle channel, and today we're going to play Louisiana Saturday Night. This song is a request for Ron Catchmark, and thank you Ron for waiting because it's been quite a while since you asked for it. This was a song written by Bob McDill and used by Mel McDaniel in 1981, and he had a hit with it. It was also recorded by Don Williams and by Merle Haggard. It's a pop country song with a Cajun feel and a Cajun theme to it, which is always a good lively combination. So I'm going to show you first of all the melody of the verse and the chorus. I'm going to show you the written fiddle breaks which are in the original, and I'm going to show you how to do a shuffle backing, the Cajun Shuffle. I start off with the chorus, which is what the song starts with, and I'm going to play the melody of the vocal rather than what the fiddle would do to start with. So we've got 4 chords that run all the way through the tune. So it's D, A, G, D, and the chorus starts 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I'm doing these phrases down at the heel. You can liven it up a lot by doing open string drones. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might do that as a solo if you wanted. I wouldn't recommend actually playing it along with the vocal. There's much more suitable things to do than that. But it's possible you might do this as an instrumental, in which case that was certainly what you would want to do. The verse is similarly simple. And again with that last phrase, we're down at the heel. And I'm doing down, up, up for those last notes. Let's do the chorus and verse with some backing. So at that point in the song it's into a fiddle break, and the fiddle break has a very typical start, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and this is played very staccato and always down at the heel. There's usually one note break at the beginning of the bar, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that is, even if you're going to play the rest of it quite smooth, always play that staccato. Now we'll go through it slowly through the rest of it. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. So there's a rhythm underlying this solo, which is, you can hear clearly at the end. So that's kind of what's going on underneath. and we're going to try and keep that drive going as we go through it. We'll do it twice. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to show you the rhythm that you can use either behind your solo, as we were doing there, or behind the verse and chorus. So we start off with the basic Nashville Shuffle, which I've got a video all about if you want to check that out. So it's basically a down, da, 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 long, short, short, long, short, short. So we're alternating a long down with a long up. So that's your Nashville Shuffle. The Cajun Shuffle is based on that, and the crotchet at the beginning is broken up into 2 quavers. So and you slur the first 2 notes of each 4. Then the Cajun Shuffle with drones. We're going to do an open D drone on the D chord. We're going to do we're going to do an E drone over the A chord, and a D drone under the G chord and under the D chord. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that can go under verse and chorus. Let's just try that. And with a bit of experience, you'll be able to do that shuffle and add onto it just little bits of melody like this. Now there's a bit, what I call the breakdown chorus, where the rhythm just changes a little bit and the fiddle does something like this. So this is all down at the heel, it's very short notes, and there's a line that goes through the chords, which it's kind of obvious if you listen to the chords, and a lot of chord sequences have this kind of line running through them, and we're just finding a harmony underneath, mostly a scale of 6th harmony. And then we have another solo, and I'll show you this slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. There's an interesting note in the second line. Now this is an A chord, and so it should theoretically have a C sharp in it. But we're playing it as a C natural and just bending it up ever so slightly, which is a kind of a bluesy country type thing to do. The first bar of this, that's part of the D major blues scale. The whole scale will be that, and as always I have a video all about that, the major blues scale. After that we have chorus, another solo pretty similar to that one, and fade out, I think. So it's a nice song. I wouldn't actually recommend that you spend a lot of time trying to learn these solos. What's much more important is to learn how to make up these solos. So getting the shuffle going, understanding the scale and the double stop drones, that's what's important, and eventually solos like this will just come flowing out, providing you keep the shuffle going. I'm going to play all the way through, and you can have a copy of the dots if you like, if you subscribe and send me an email. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon.